Hello foodies, welcome to Foodie Rules. This is Vamshi back with another most requested recipe that is pizza sauce. So for that I've taken 2 tablespoons of oil in a hot pan, 1/4 of bell pepper. So we're going to roast the bell pepper for some time in the oil. So let them cook for a while. Then you need to add 9 to 10 medium garlic cloves and you need to roast them till they become brown. Then you need to add 1/4 cup of chopped onions and just cook it until they become light transparent in color. Then make a well in the center. Then just add 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano and a tablespoon of fresh basil leaves and just again mix everything. So again you need to cook them till they become yellow in color. Then add 2 cups of chopped ripe tomatoes. If you use tin tomatoes, that is more than enough. Add 2 cups of tin tomatoes, that will be good. Then add half cup of water. Then just cook it on simmer for 10 minutes. Low flame for 10 minutes. Then add a teaspoon of chili flakes. Then 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. And just mix everything and cook it for about 2 minutes. Then switch off the flame and add 1 cup of ice chilled water. So I've added ice chilled water to make it chill. Then you need to transfer it into a blender and just blend it. Then again in a pan add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add a tablespoon of chopped garlic. So then you need to roast the garlic till they become light yellow in color and gives that good flavor and aroma. After that you need to add your puree. So if you use tin tomatoes, that will be very good, guys. It will give more red color to your sauce. Then you need to add a teaspoon of sugar. Then salt per your taste. And then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. That will give a good flavor and texture to your sauce. Then just mix it. If you want a more good color, you can add the color also, that's up to you. Then add 2 tablespoons of parmesan cheese. Then just mix everything till the parmesan cheese and the sauce get mixed into the remaining sauces. Just cook it for a while on medium-high flame. Take your own time, and at this point you can check for salt and all this stuff. So you can balance out by adding and removing some. Then after that I have taken some carrom seeds, around 1/4 teaspoon, like half teaspoon of carrom seeds. I'm going to crush it using my hands and I'm going to add it into the sauce and just mix it, and our sauce is ready. You can make pizza. The link is in the description. So until then, goodbye.